Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here. Welcome back to another video. I got the isinwheel GT1 electric scooter here. I want to bring you guys on a quick little ride with me along the Sacramento River Trail. Now, I've been really impressed with this scooter, especially when it comes to the 10-inch off-road pneumatic tires. I love the way they grip the road and the sound that they make. You'll see it and hear it in this video. This scooter, I've seen it for less than $500 right now on isinwheel's website, and you get some great specifications for the price. Battery is a 48 volt 10 amp hour battery, and it is UL certified. You get an 800 watt rear brushless motor to the back. The max payload is 330 pounds on this scooter. Excellent brakes. Great stopping power here, nice grips, nice long handlebars, and a very colorful display. The footage I'm going to share with you, it's all stock footage, it's not edited, and I didn't do any talking during this ride. I was just focused on riding, so just kind of kick back, turn up the volume a little bit so you can hear the sound of the tires, and just enjoy the ride. All right, let's go.